I'm going to start off with the first historic piece called La Riviere, and this is a song about the Ottawa River, which is, I guess, the most prominent feature of the Ottawa Valley. This song is written about the early travelers of the river, and the travels go back actually thousands of years, almost, I believe back to almost 7,000 years ago with the indigenous people. Europeans showed up around in the early 1600s with Samuel de Champlain exploring the Ottawa Valley, and he initiated what was the fur trade that lasted for over 200 years, and that's quite remarkable that for 200 years there were these journeys of men in canoes paddling upstream into northern and western areas of Ontario and Quebec, and then returning back to Montreal and such in the fall kind of thing, and as freeze up was happening. And I can't imagine the effort these guys had to go through. But anyways, so this is called La Riviere, and here we go. The river flows from north to south, from streams of slight to never doubt. Upon this route come men of force, carrying furs of size from the lands of north. Tales of wild times of blight, endure the cold to sleep at night. Crates of supplies carried over land, hardship bared, traditions ran. This is the blood of our ancestral past, times of frontier, times of first flight. Tracks of these men are marked in the stones of the riverbed washed by ages of flow. From Thunder Bay to Montreal, along the Manitou, the Mattawa, the Outaouais, broad sense of home. Trudging south as winter fell. This is the blood of our ancestral past, times of frontier, times of first flight. Tracks of these men are marked in the stones of the riverbed washed by ages of flow. And as they dug their paddles deep, in songs of march surpassed defeat, these songs still sound in echoes round the river bend, past the point of south. This is the blood of our ancestral past, times of frontier, times of first flight. Tracks of these men are marked in the stones of the riverbed washed by ages of flow. Of the riverbed washed by ages of flow. Of the riverbed washed by ages of flow. That's La Riviere, a song about the early travelers of the Ottawa River.